Good morning, children. Today in our science class, we'll see the next topic, how to protect our sense organs. Okay, so before getting into the lesson, we'll see some a basic concept about the sense organs. Okay, sense organs always play an important role in a variety of functions and helps in perceiving or observe and understand our surroundings. Okay, so these are the parts of our bodies that enable us to sense the environment around us. So we all know that how many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs we have. We have 5 primary sense organs, and they are our eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, these are our sense organs. These sense organs help us in perceiving sound, light, smell, taste and touch respectively. Okay, see here. Sense organs help us to observe and understand the world around us. There are 5 main ways we can do this. Through sight, so we can see. What is sight? The thing which we see, that is sight. With our eyes, touch with our skin, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue and hear with our ears. So the ways by which we can take care of our sense organs are given below. By nature, all the sense organs have some ways to protect themselves. Okay. So for example, the eyelids and lashes protect the eyes from dust and other foreign particles. If you are going into the dust or smoke, you will immediately close your eyes. That is the sense. Okay. Clear, children? Okay, so before going to the next topic, how to take care of our sense organs, we'll see about those sense organs commonly. Then we'll go to the lesson. Okay, so first one is eyes. Eyes are very sensitive to light. Okay, so we should be with some distance of light there, so that your eyes will not get much damage. So eyes are the visual sensory organ of the body. Sight is referred to as vision, which means our ability to see. Through eyes only we can able to see the things. Okay, ears. Next, ears are auditory organs, which is our ability to perceive or hear sound. Through your ears only you can hear some sound. Clear? And nose. Nose is an olfactory organ by which we smell. So through your nose you can smell. Tongue. Through tongue we perceive various taste and flavors like sweet, salt, then sour, bitter. All these 4 types of taste you will know because of your tongue. Okay, coming to skin. Skin is our largest organ. It covers our whole body. Yes or no? Our whole body is covered by skin. Skin allows us to perceive touch, pain, then temperature, etc. Everything we will be feeling through the skin only. Okay, so now we will see how to take care of our sense organs, what we should do to protect our sense organ and what we should not do to protect the sense organs. Okay, children? Okay, eyes. Do's and don'ts. What we have to do? You have to read with proper light. Okay, so always with the bright light you have to read. Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. You should not be so closer to the television. If you feel your eyes are itchy, wash them with clean and cold water. You should not rub your eyes. Instead, you have to wash your eyes with cold and clean water. Don't read in too dim or too bright light. Okay, so don't play video games or watch TV or mobile for a long time. Don't rub your eyes with your fist. What is fist? So which is fist? Fist is this one. So you should not keep your hand like this, and so see the picture. You should not keep your hands like this and rub your eyes. Okay, children? Okay. If you find it difficult to read classroom board from your place, tell your teacher or parent and consult a doctor. You must follow the suggestions of an ophthalmologist or eye doctor. Okay. So who will usually have this eye problem or eye strain? A condition known as digital eye strain is common among people working at computers. The software engineers will mostly have this problem all day. This condition leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurred vision and headache. Okay children, these are the symptoms they'll have if they have some eye strain. Okay, so coming to the next one, ears. So avoid loud noise. Do not listen to music at a higher volume while using earphones or headphones. Okay, there will be a limited volume. Okay, so you should not increase the volume while you are hearing through earphones or headphones. Do not clean ears with earbuds. Dry your ears after taking bath. Always you have to clean your ears and dry up your ears after taking bath. Cover your ears while swimming and bathing. Use earplugs or ear muffs when you are exposed to loud sound. Consult a doctor if you have a pain in ear. So without consulting your doctor, you should not use any ear droplets. Okay. So hearing loss cannot be prevented always, but hearing loss due to exposure to loud noise can be avoided. So you should be you should hear everything. So whatever you are hearing while watching TV or listening to the music in mobile or watching video through mobile, you have to reduce the volume and then you have to watch and hear. Clear children? Okay. Noise levels are measured in decibels, which will be written in dB as short form. Any sound over 85 dB can be harmful to us. So we should not keep the sound more than 85 decibel. So it will be very harmful to us and we'll have some hearing problem. Then coming to nose. Do not clean your nose by inserting any object into it. Okay. So being a small children, you should not do such a thing. Okay. So you should not insert anything inside your nose. It is very harmful. If the nose is blocked due to cold, it is better to use steam to clear it. Okay. So with the help of the steam water, you can remove the blocks. You should not use any other things or clean up by inserting anything. So do not pick your nose. So we should clean our tongue. So next one is tongue. Okay. We should clean our tongue daily with the tongue cleaner while brushing our teeth. Why we want to clean our tongue? So if you if you have some dirty tongue, it will be causing some health issues and also bad breath. Okay, so you can't breathe properly. So a dirty tongue causes bad breath. Then skin. Always use a mild soap. Okay, so you know very well that your skin are very soft. Okay, so always use a mild soap. Keep your skin dry and clean. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a clean cloth. Consult a doctor when you have itching, skin injury or infection. Clear? So if you are taking any ointments without consulting a doctor, so your skin will be damaging more and more. Okay, so in today's class, what are the things we have seen? How to protect our sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, in the next class we will see the next topic. Okay, thank you.